So this is a 3D printed prop from Thingiverse. This one you can print through OpenSCAD, or you can just get the STL files. So they're all available. And I've used 0.12 layer height using Polyair 1.1. So it's a good PLA, and running about 230 on the temperature and 60 on the bed, and using Prusa slicer. The pins, I've basically repurposed some old Tokapot rivets, and it's the central sort of hard steel shaft which presses into there quite nicely, and yeah, provides a good fit. So it's still foldable, but it's not going to collapse. So I'll just run her up gently. I did a bit of filing, not much on the edges, just to get rid of any rough edges around the leading edge and the trailing edges. Not much on the surface, but I haven't used any sanding paper or fine grit sanding paper. It just came out that smooth because my printer's all nicely set up. So let's fire it up gently. There you go. So you have a closer look, but she's nice propeller. It's came out good. There's a spinner that goes over the top. Obviously I've just put this on for the time being, but yeah, nice prop.